Okay, so with holidays, with Halloween, there's two ways that we can do it. Yeah, I think so. Did everybody get their sign quiz back? Okay. What we often do is we start like this for Halloween, and we go back. We flip it back, okay? You might see it with H's like that also. But anytime you see it in front of the eyes and flip back, like you're peeling, you're revealing your mask, okay? You see there's a few on here that I did X out. I mean, you can still see them if you want to do them. Pumpkin, we have our left S and our right hand. You guys have ever bought a pumpkin? Kind of thump it. Kind of thump it. Okay? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Yay! We have additional. Yeah. What's that hand out? Pumpkin. Witch. I have the perfect nose for this one. Witch. Witch. So you take both your little X fingers, witch. Kind of point your nose as much as you can. Witch. Ghost. Middle finger, thumb, middle finger, thumb. Ghost. And if you say it makes it easier to do it. Ooh. It just gives it a different feel. Ooh. All right, ghost. We did scary and afraid, right? I just threw that back in here just because scary or scared or afraid. I know that's redundant, but I put it back in here anyway because it's an important word at Halloween. Okay? Scared. All right. Skeleton. We have our bent V. The bent V. You're just outlining a few ribs. Skeleton. Okay? Skeleton. All right. Trick or treat. There is no one sign for trick or treat. There are several signs for trick or treat. So we will do it with what we have here. I'll show you the two different versions that is typically done. Okay? It's a two-part sign. Trick is you have your little bull horns here. Trick, trick, trick. You don't have to sign the word or, but trick or treat, with T's. Trick, treat. Trick, treat. Now, one that is also used, that really does kind of make sense, is trick or, does anybody know this sign? Candy. So you can do trick and candy, all right? Trick, and with your pointer, candy. What would you prefer? Trick and candy or trick and treat?
Trick and candy.
Okay, we have it. Who wants trick and candy? Raise your hand. Who wants trick or treat? All right, the treats win. Sorry. Trick, trying to be democratic. Trick, treat. Treat. We just may not quiz over that.
So is this supposed to represent opening the sack?
Treat. And not just the sign for treat. Like you're giving somebody something. In fact, when we do present in a minute, you'll see it's very similar. Okay? Like you're giving them something. All right, autumn or fall is fall or autumn. Think of like an elbow patch on a jacket. Fall. Fall. Winter. We done hot and cold yet? Okay. Winter. This is cold. We'll do it eventually. Cold. So winter, we just initialize with W's. So you come in like you're, you know, when it's cold outside. Winter. Winter, but it's not at all. Summer. We're wiping the sweat from our brow. Summer. Do you remember what this sign is?
Black.
Black. It's black. Okay? Summer is you pull it across, okay? Like you're wiping the sweat from your brow. Summer. So they are similar. Spring, spring. You do it twice. Spring. So you have an open C. Take this hand and you bring it up twice. Spring. Okay. So fall, winter, summer, and spring. Michael, somewhere out there this is for you. Yeah, okay. Somewhere out there are a couple of, you got them. All right. Thanksgiving. You guys remember? Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Thanksgiving is pretty well two-handed. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Okay? Thanks, kind of hesitate, give. Thanksgiving. All right? If you Google sign for Christmas, that's one you're going to come up with quite a few signs. So we're going to use the one that is on ASL University. It is one that is fairly standard, and it is a C, and think of a wreath, okay, for either Christ or Christmas, however you want to do it. But think of a C, okay? Christmas. So kind of think of a wreath. Christmas. Santa Claus is a C, and it comes out to represent beard and belly. Okay? So it's a C from here that comes out kind of to represent beard and belly. Santa Claus. All right? Reindeer. We haven't done our animals yet, have we? Let's just tell them they're fun. This is deer, okay? Or this is deer, either way. When we do reindeer, all we do is just do an R. So you guys know what this represents?
Yes.
Antlers, yeah, for the reindeer. So an R, reindeer. Just to specify that it's reindeer, okay, rather than just deer. The R for reindeer. All right, present. And we're talking about a gift, a present. It's simply like you're giving it to someone. It looks almost like a G. Like you're giving it to someone. So I'm giving you a present. It's a fake present, but nonetheless, it's a present. So what do you say when I give you a present?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. For the invisible present. All right, parade is very visual because we have people that are marching forward. So it's very, again, it's a very visual parade. Okay, I have a handout. And then there's quizzes. Nope, they're right here. Good, I'm glad we're getting, I was a little worried before 9. I'm glad people are trickling in. Parade. Hanukkah. Hanukkah, we have the menorah, right? So Hanukkah is, you guys know what the lights, the candle. Hanukkah, so you kind of come up and then come out. It looks like the menorah. It's kind of up and out. I have seen it done in books where it's like this. I don't think that's wrong. I have no reason to believe that that's wrong. This is just the way that it's presented in our information, okay? So it's the same, just up and out for Hanukkah. All right. Easter. E. I see it with one hand, sometimes two hands. Easter. Okay? Easter. Easter. Rabbit is the sign for rabbit. Either H's or R's. The H's obviously represent the little ears. R's just gives you another little indication for a rabbit. Rabbit. Okay? Egg, and we'll do egg again. I just put this in here because we do Easter eggs. Egg. Egg, like you're cracking it on the side of a bowl. Egg. Okay. You guys remember the word for color,
Sorry, anyone?
or the sign for color?
Hello.
Color, color, chicken color, eggs, okay? There are a lot of other holiday signs that you're more than free, more than welcome to look at, okay? There are a lot of holiday signs, but these are the ones that we're going to concentrate on as far as with the vocabulary in here, okay? So these should be a little bit fun for you. I hope I got the AC on because I'm running long and it's 9:15. So we're hoping the AC's coming on. All right, guys. On Wednesday, we're going to do a little show and tell. I'm going to bring in